Let's learn how to use Google Lens on MacBook. So let's get started. I will explain every feature of Google Lens in this video. So let's start with the first feature. Let's say you want to know the information about an image or want to search similar images. Click on this small icon, search by image. Here you can search images by uploading a file or paste image link. I will explain to you both methods. First start with uploading a file. I am uploading this file. Open. Here you can see after uploading a file, it shows that it is Keklok's site temple in Malaysia. Now I want to show you how you can upload image by URL. Here you need to copy image address. Click on this icon. Here you can paste image and search it. Here you can see Keklok Sai Temple. Now I explain you a second feature of Google Lens. You can ask about the image as well. Like this, where is this place? Here you can see this is the answer. This is the Keklok Sai Temple in Penang, Malaysia. It's the largest Buddhist temple in Malaysia. In the same way, you can ask different questions. Now move to the third feature of Google Lens. I am uploading an image. With the help of Google Lens, we can extract text from the image as well. Simply copy it and paste it here. Google Lens has another amazing feature. You can easily translate text by clicking it here. Here you can select the language in which you want to translate. Let's say we want to translate into Spanish. Here you can see it is converted into Spanish. If we enable this tab, you can see side by side image. This is in English and this is in Spanish. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.